This lesson is on word stress and intonation, and we'll see that it makes a difference. So as in music, intonation is the melody, and it's the way in which the tone varies in pitch and the way in which certain words or syllables are stressed or emphasized. Just as a way of introduction, think how you would say hello in the following situations: when greeting your boss, or greeting your best friend, or answering the phone, or approaching an attractive man or woman you don't know, or talking to a small baby. Just maybe pause the video and just think to yourself how you would say this one word in these situations. So when you talk to people directly, you have the real advantage in that you can both see them and hear them. When you talk to somebody on the phone, even though you can't see the other person, you can still hear them. But when you're reading what somebody wrote, you don't see them and you can't hear them. And in this case, you have no body language or intonation to help you understand the meaning. So this is why when we're writing, we have to be really careful about what we write, and that the people can read what we write and understand it in the way we mean it. So for instance, this statement, "I didn't say you stole my money." We'll have a look at this as our example. I didn't say you stole my money. Just take a moment to think about how you would understand this if you saw it written in a text message. And again, pause the video if you need to, and then come back when you've had a think. This actually has 7 different meanings depending on which word is emphasized or stressed. And we'll look at all of those now. I didn't say you stole my money. So here we stress the first word, I, as in, I didn't say you stole my money. And by stressing the word I, you're telling the other person that you didn't accuse them of stealing your money. Somebody else accused them. I didn't, it was somebody else. I didn't say you stole my money. This is the easiest to explain because we're really just emphasizing the negative. I didn't say you stole my money. You stole it. I know this for a fact. I never actually said you stole it. So I didn't say you stole my money. I didn't say you stole my money. The thing is, somebody stole my money. I just never actually accused you of stealing it. I didn't say you stole my money. I didn't say you stole my money. I haven't accused you of theft. However, you still have my money. Maybe you found it. Maybe I lent it to you. But I didn't say you stole my money. I didn't say you stole my money. You didn't steal my money. You stole someone else's money. Or the last part, I didn't say you stole my money. You didn't steal my money. You stole something else of mine, maybe my watch or my phone, but I didn't say you stole my money. And there are many other sentences that show this type of problem. Here are some more for you to think about. She isn't driving to London today. He didn't tell you to fight him. And in this example, the word to is not a reason to emphasize it. I didn't shoot him yesterday. And all of these 3 examples, just take the time and emphasize the different words in these sentences to understand how the meaning changes depending on what you actually stress. It's an interesting exercise. At the start of this lesson, we looked at the word hello and how you would say this word in different ways. There's another single word that has many meanings, and it's the word really. This has a very broad spectrum of meaning, ranging from "that's most interesting, please carry on," all the way over to "that's the most idiotic thing I've ever heard." So for the first one, if someone's telling you something, you could say, really interesting, please carry on. The last one, you would need, say, a teenage girl with a bored, drawn-out, eye-rolling way, and you'll get some idea of the power of this one word with the right intonation. So, she was saying, really? And that would be like the second extreme, "that's the most idiotic thing I've ever heard." So to summarize, intonation is important in speech. And we've seen good examples of how different intonation can completely change the meaning of a sentence. This is why it's important to make sure that when you're writing, you make the meaning clear. In other words, can the reader easily understand your text in the way you meant it? Or can it be misinterpreted due to intonation?